Thank you for joining me today and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about Arbitrum. This is a wonderful project and I've seen a lot of potentials on this particular coin. So right now, this particular coin is on the price of $1.70 and it's up by 4.55%. It's actually going towards the downside, but I think it has a long-term potential. Now, right now, it has a market cap of about $2.1 billion and a trading volume, a 24 hours trading volume of $1.5 billion. Now, if we are to check the historical data, you'd realize that it has a good progression from the beginning of launch till date. So this is the historical data, and if I'm to begin from April the 7th, you'd realize that the initial price, that's the opening price, was $1.2 and the closing price was $1.19, and then it maintained 1.1 till April 10th, and then from April 10th or April 11th rather, it entered 1.2 and then it maintained 1.2 until April 14th. We have $1.3 and then the closing price was $1.6. Now, starting from April 14th till date, we are having a good increase in the price without a regression. So on the 15th, it was 1.6 and it closed at 1.6 as well. On the 16th, 1.6, the same price. On the 17th, the same price. And then today being 18th, we have a good price right here. This is 1.7. It's actually fluctuating within 1.7 and 1.69, and this is actually a good indication of the potential of this particular coin. So I'll be making a quick analysis on the price movement of this particular coin using the chart, and I'll be doing a brief analysis with my own personal gain skill on analyzing the price chart or the candlesticks of a coin. So right now, this is the current position of the chart, and if I'm to make my analysis right now on this particular coin is going to be experiencing a temporal dip and probably go for the massive pump. But for now, what I'm seeing on this particular coin is a dip based on what I have right here, and I'll be marking some points so you would see for yourselves my own opinion. I'm not telling you that this particular coin is 100% going towards the downside, because I'm not perfect and accurate in this analysis. But based on my own point of view and what I see here, I see the continuation or a dip on the price of the coin. So using my rectangle, I'll be marking a very important structure I have right here. Starting from this particular position, this is a very good structure for this coin. This is a good structure. So this is my first structure, and then we have a second structure right here. So this the second structure. I was expecting an impulsive move from this particular position to the upside, because most of the times when a coin comes to this kind of structure, there's a high tendency of an impulsive move. This is the first point where we experienced our impulsive move, and then we got to this position, then a pullback. These are higher low, and then an impulsive move, a higher high to the structure, and then there was a consolidation within this region. So it was actually within a straight line, and there was a good consolidation right here, and then from this low we experienced an impulsive move that broke above this last resistance. So this impulsive move broke above this resistance. And now, in most cases, like I told you earlier, when we experience an impulsive move like this, the next pullback or reversal rather is supposed to stop at our structure, and then there's supposed to be an impulsive move from this region to the upside, because we are currently on an uptrend. But in this case, in the case of this particular coin, instead of continuing an uptrend from this region, it went below the structure. If it goes below this structure and it breaks below this region, there's a high tendency that there would be a downtrend on this particular coin. So this is why I marked my structure right here. This is why I marked this structure with a rectangle. If by any means If by any means Arbitrum should break below this structure, then we would be experiencing a dip on the price of the coin. So the most likely thing to happen on this coin right now is a dip, because we've already broken one of the structures, one of the major structures right here, and the next structure that will be broken is the following structure. And if that should happen, then there's a high tendency that there would be a dip. So very quickly, I would be taking us to the news of this particular coin, so we would see the latest update on the coin. So right here we have a news including Arbitrum, and I think I would have to read it for you from the original paper. Ethereum layer 2 networks including Optimism, Arbitrum and Polygon saw a surge in popularity in Q1 of 2023, according to a report from Web3 development platform Alchemy. The report, titled Web3 Development Report, cites data from June Analytics and shows that Ethereum users bridged over $635,000 worth of crypto assets to these networks from January to March, a significant increase of 44% over the fourth quarter of 2022 and 518% over the first quarter of 2022. I don't really need to go further on reading all of these things. The first paragraph of this news says everything about Arbitrum. Like I told you earlier, it's a very wonderful project, although we might experience a dip within the next few days, but it's a long-term project that has a good potential. This is all I can say about Arbitrum for the meantime. If I get more updates on this particular coin, I'll make sure I keep you updated, and I'll make sure I give you every possible information you need for this particular project. For those of you who are new to this channel, this is Financial Realm. If you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button below, and don't forget to give this video a like so it will reach out to more people here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.